Hello there, and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel. My name's Jean Bulb. I'm an enrolled agent, and I thought I'd just give you my story of how I ended up being a tax preparer. I found that I was accounting for things at a very early age. This is me when I was about 8. Probably not my best year, but it gives you a flavor of how long I've been interested in accounting. And I used to take my allowance and go to the drugstore. We lived in a small town, and I just would walk to the drugstore, and I bought these carbonized receipt books. Um, for those of you who are a little bit younger than me, you might not be familiar with what that is, but it's where it makes a carbon copy when you write on the first page. So anyway, that was how I spent my allowance. And then I roped my brother into playing store. We'd sit in my room and I would write up his receipts, and we'd use play money, and I would make change. And sometimes if he didn't want to play, I always, had the stuffed animals. Now, these are not my actual stuffed animals. These are just a Photoshop of stuffed animals, but you get the picture. Maybe I led a lonely existence. I don't know. But I eventually left my stuffed critters behind, and I began working in the accounting field. For the last decade, I have been preparing business and personal income taxes, and it turns out I really enjoy it. I know that's maybe weird to you, but somebody has to do it. And if you don't have to do it, that's great, right? I studied and passed the exam to become an enrolled agent in 2013. So that means I can represent taxpayers before the IRS. If you receive an audit letter, a collection letter, or any other matter in which you need to talk to the IRS, I would act as your interface between the IRS and yourself. So I would step into your shoes and deal with them so that you don't have to. So that's about the size of it. Thanks for watching. Be sure and comment on your story. I'd be interested to see how you got to where you are and what it is that you do. And if you have any questions, you can reach me at my email there, Jean@totaltax.pro. Cheers.